after he retired from the army, he was of course a guarantee award winner. He started his own cyber security firm in Dubai, a very successful cyber security firm. And then one day, from the Mall of Emirates in the parking, he was just abducted. And later we get to know that he has been detained since then at a detention center in Abu Dhabi. And he was a UN peacekeeper as well. So he's very, very well renowned. And so we're trying to get our soldier back, I think.
Salina Jaitley's brother, Major Vikrant Kumar Jaitley, has been detained in the UAE since September 2024, suspected in a national security case. For over 14 months, he faced enforced disappearance followed by detainment, with little clarity on his condition. Legal authorities push for government intervention, directing the Ministry of External Affairs to ensure consular access and legal aid.
Thankfully, thanks to Justice Sachin Datta and cooperation from the government side, we've been managed to secure a very good order. Now a nodal officer has been appointed to help the petitioner and her brother communicate, to give him effective legal assistance, to keep us updated on the case status, and eventually, of course, these steps will help us secure his release. I think this will go a long way in strengthening the ties between UAE and India, considering he was, of course, our major general from our army, a special forces officer, and I think the government is going to cooperate.
Is there any notice issued for the...
Notice issued, status report, everything. They have to file a status report directing the steps they're going to start taking.
So what is the current status of Mr. Vikrant Kumar?
We had no idea. That is why we filed this petition. We have been kept in the dark as to why he was detained. He was detained he was first abducted and then detained in Dubai. We have been trying to follow up for the last 14 months. Today, thankfully, Justice Datta has passed a great order, and we are very thankful for the government's cooperation since they did not object. So they've also been very cooperative, and they're going to file a detailed status report. So Major Jaitley will hopefully be out. Ministry of External Affairs. Yes, she was present.
She was opposing your petition.
She was not opposing. She was saying we've already granted some consular access, but then when I said that we want consular access specifically for the petitioner and we want a more detailed status report, then they were quite cooperative.
So there is no official communication regarding his detention?
There is nothing. We have received nothing. Now hopefully when the status report is filed, we'll know exactly what is to be done.
Because 14 months is a long period.
It's a long period, and of course Major Jaitley was a special forces officer. But we are hoping now, the matter is now listed on 4th of December. So after we have a status report, I feel that we're in a good position to further file an application and eventually basically coordinate with UAE to secure his prompt release.
Salina Jaitley, his only immediate family, has sought justice and public support for her soldier brother. Salina's emotional appeal highlighting her brother's sacrifice and the hope arising from the court's support.
एक साल से it's been a nightmare for me. That's all I will say. I'm very grateful for today's judgment, and our soldiers, especially overseas, are becoming, as India is rising and becoming bigger and bigger in the international diaspora, our soldiers are becoming targets overseas over and over again, and I think today's judgment will really help in bringing him back, and I'm very grateful to Raghav and the entire team here for this order.
You yourself also a UN equality champion, so what is the response of authorities in India and abroad?
We will get to know. At the moment, it's best that they speak on my behalf.
Report.
Yeah, let's wait for the status report. Thank you so much.
The Delhi High Court mandates the MEA to facilitate communication, legal aid and medical care, with the next hearing set for December 4, 2025. Major Vikrant is a fourth-generation soldier and a recipient of the COAS Commendation for Gallantry. Major retired Vikrant Kumar Jaitley was a veteran Indian Army, Infantry, 3 Para Special Forces. Despite official consular access, verified direct contact remains elusive, sparking concerns about his welfare and rights under international law. This ongoing case underscores the Indian government's responsibility to protect its citizens detained abroad and the human cost that implies.